Apple has done it again. Introducing the Apple Watch Ultra 3. The most advanced Apple Watch yet. More powerful, more connected, and more versatile than ever. With the largest display of any Apple Watch, new LTPO3 technology, and wide-angle OLED Ultra 3 makes everything crystal clear, even in bright sunlight or at a glance. It's built for athletes, adventurers, and explorers. Whether you're trail running, diving, hiking, or cycling, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 delivers the most accurate GPS ever in a sports watch, plus advanced training metrics to push you further. But what really sets Ultra 3 apart? Satellite communications. Even when you're off the grid, no Wi-Fi, no cellular, you can still text emergency services, share your location, or message loved ones. Safety redefined. And when you are connected, Ultra 3 takes it further with 5G cellular, faster downloads, and crystal clear calls, even without your iPhone. Ultra 3 isn't just about performance, it's also your health companion. With groundbreaking hypertension notifications, you'll get early warnings of potential high blood pressure, and with Sleep Score, you'll finally know the quality of your rest every morning. And with Workout Buddy powered by Apple Intelligence, you'll get personalized motivation during your workouts, in real time. Adventure, fitness, safety, health. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is built to handle it all, with up to 42 hours of battery life and 72 hours in low power mode. The Apple Watch Ultra 3, more powerful, more connected, and more essential than ever. Available for pre-order now. Are you ready to push your limits?